Welcome back to the Maybelline LemonadeCraze tutorials. Today we're working on our final look that's on the back of the packaging before we get into the looks we create on our own. And this one is Peach Lemonade, so if you're interested, keep watching. Now we're going to start always by priming our eye with Milani Eyeshadow Primer, and we're using a shadow shield. We're doing look number 3 on the back. We're going to start by using the shade Sherbet, and we're going to apply that all over the lid up to the brow bone. This is going to be our base shadow. And we're just patting that in, and I'm going to take a little bit of Sunny's, which is not in the description on the back, and apply it to the brow bone as my highlight. We're going to be applying Sweet Tea in our crease like the directions suggest. And I really like this cool tone brown, and it actually really does remind me of Sweet Tea. We're going to be taking the Santee ColorMyEyes eyeshadow pencil in number 7. It's just a really nice peachy coral shade. And next we're going to be applying Coral Punch to our entire eyelid. Now they do want you to hold off in the inner corner and apply citrus there. We are still going to do that, but for now we are patting Coral Punch all over the lid. Yes, we're just patting that on, building the shade up, and I used a secondary base because the shade did need a bit of help. I wanted it to be brighter. And we're just blending down those edges and taking more of Sunny's, like using it like a magic eraser and really buffing down those edges. I really love that Sweet Tea in the crease. Now next we're using citrus, and that's going to go in the inner corner. And first I'm applying it literally by itself just on top of the shade Coral Punch. After we apply that dry on the inner corner portion of our lids, we're going to be applying Coral Punch to our lower lash line, and it does want you to do that in the directions. The only thing so far I've done different is take the citrus punch and apply it on top of the Coral Punch. And now I'm picking up on the shadow brush dry, and you can't really see it, but I am taking LaColors setting spray and applying some of that to the brush as well, so I can apply this wet. It's going to give us a much bolder metallic shimmery finish, and it just makes the shade more potent, as you can see here. And I think this look is very pretty, very simple and easy. Anybody can achieve this look. I'll blend the two together, and now we're removing the shadow shield. I love these things, they catch so much fallout, and I just blend down the edges of that. We're using the Milani Stay Put eyeliner to do the upper lash line, and now we're using the Jordana Continuous Almond 24-hour eyeshadow pencil because I wanted to look more awake and everyday kind of look with this. And we're using the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. Man, I really do enjoy this mascara. You guys need to try it out. And here's the finished look. And for lips today, we are using Maybelline 550 Honey Pink. I loved and adored this lipstick all summer. Of course, we're setting all of that with the LaColors setting spray. Make my makeup last all day. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more tutorials. I hope the video was helpful, and you guys will subscribe, ring the bell, and like the video as well.